Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DORO 8100 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages. And this is the list of all applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the list of available ones. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. So let me pick French, choose the region, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is the main one, so all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.